Yep.
Hello, my name is Bill. Hello, my name is Pablo. Hi, Bella. My name is Product. My name is Victor. What? My name is Joe. Oh, my name is Alexander. You're big here. I'll kill you off when
Got Dad.
Edible arrangements from our realtor,
Yay!
Corinne Haleigh.
Yay!
She's being nice.
Because we sold our house today, so
sold our
she
house.
sent us this yummy.
Are those cake pops in there?
Yeah, they're fruit, chocolate covered
Says-
strawberries.
We have strawberries,
Pineapple.
pineapple,
Are those not? Are
cantaloupes,
those things from the guys that bought our house?
some kind of.
No, it's from the house lady.
Yeah, it says, Flory, I wanted to tell you it's been a pleasure working with you and your family. I wish you the best of luck with this new chapter in your new life. Travel safe and have a blast. Smiley face. Love, Corinne.
She's been a good realtor.
Here.
Give her a plug. Give her a plug, Doug.
Wait,
If you are in
guys, look what she gave us.
Utah County,
Whoa.
CARINHALLIDAY.
Holiday. She's
at
awesome.
Wixom
Realty.
Realty Group, I think.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Corinne. We love it.
Spring Fork.
Wait, is that cake pops in there?
It's chocolate strawberries.
Look at this thing.
It's not chocolate strawberries, it's something
Let me
else.
see.
Look, it looks like cake.
Bring it up here so I can see.
It's a little cold.
Those cake pops?
I don't know.
It's chocolate strawberries, right?
I want to try one of
I
the
don't
cake
know.
pops.
We're gonna eat that.
It's cold.
Yum.
When did she sell this to us?
Today?
So we sold your house today?
Sold the house today, no longer in our name.
And we did it from a distance.
Yep.
Wait, Mom.
Did it from another state.
Can I try a cake pop?
Bye.
Hey everybody, here we are in Colorado Springs at Focus on the Family Visitor Center. We're gonna go see what that organization offers. Someone at our title company this morning said, you guys should cross the street and go take a look at Focus on the Family because they have a giant slide and something about an airplane. So we're gonna check it out. All I know about it is, I think it's a Christian-based organization that helps with like focus family-related legislation, I think. Let's go see. It's on. See it?
We sold our house now.
So now we live officially in the RV forever, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna sell it soon.
Just in 1 year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the bookstore. Apparently there's a TV show I've never heard of with Christian-based songs and cartoons. I'm gonna have to check it out. I know I've heard of Veggie Tales, but I haven't heard of the Odyssey Adventure.
This is so weird. Wait, I need to take a picture of lights.
Excuse me, please. cool. Say boo. Oh, boo.
People are joking when they said, here's Narnia.
Long ago, everybody can say when, but there's never been any of your great race here at the time. That's what I don't understand, Mr. Beaver.
This is the book.
Isn't the witch herself human? She'd like us to believe, and it's on that she bases.
So we just finished Focus on the Family. It was pretty cool. It reminded me of the bookstore that we have called Deseret Book. And they have a TV children's cartoon show, which reminded me of what we have called Living Scriptures. Anyway, as far as like a national organization, I think I couldn't determine which church it was with. I think it's just a basic Christian organization, but it had a pretty cool play center downstairs with a Narnia room, which I liked, and it had a giant airplane and hands-on puppetry and performance. Anyway, kids had a blast. I highly recommend going to it in Colorado Springs. Okay, here's my old house. 20 years ago. Used to be brown and now they changed the color. So weird to go back and visit your old houses. From the backyard. And it goes up to the second floor.